While exploring the enchanting woods of Maplewood, a curious child stumbles upon a magical artifact that will change his life forever. With a hesitant stroke of the brush, the colors on the canvas shimmer and come alive, whispering promises of unknown adventures. Bewildered, the young artist watches in awe as his creations take on lives of their own, each brushstroke birthing a new and curious inhabitant of the canvas. Panic spreads like wildfire as the once peaceful town is overrun by whimsical beings, their laughter echoing through the cobblestone alleys. With hearts full of courage, the young duo embarks on a quest to tame the unruly magic, their eyes reflecting a glimmer of hope amidst the chaos. With each stroke of the brush, the once empty canvas transforms into a bustling world of wonder, inviting all who gaze upon it to step into its magical embrace. The townsfolk marvel at the strange and delightful spectacle before them, their skepticism melting away in the face of such innocent joy and wonder. As whispers of mischief flutter through the air, a sense of unease grips the crowd, fearing the unpredictable nature of the living mural's inhabitants. With sweat on his brow and a fire in his soul, the boy races against the chaos threatening to consume his beloved town, his every stroke a battle cry against the encroaching darkness. As the final brushstroke falls into place, the tumultuous energy of the living mural fades, leaving behind a peaceful tableau that speaks of redemption and growth. Amidst a sea of grateful smiles and teary eyes, the boy stands tall, his heart swelling with pride at having turned chaos into beauty, fear into love. As the day fades into twilight, a sense of magic lingers in the air, whispering of endless possibilities and the transformative power of imagination.